Yo. He was already good by the time we met, so I was like, yeah, shit, baby. Big.
But you gotta get out and put that leg work in, bro. Hey, man, hey, we outside, man. You know what I'm saying? Big Pinkflamingo shit. I'ma slide tonight, too, bro.
I ended up leaving everything inside my other car and jumped in the truck. I did the same shit.
What you doing tonight, bro?
Back in the ass. He the same way.
Oh, you on that?
Oh yeah, for sure. Fucking nut. Same shit. Different toilet.
That boy Wayne.
really a fiend. I peep that they move dolly, but I'm tryna go feed the whole team. Like who really your homies? Who rockin' with you when shit get extreme? Cause I don't know about you, but me and my gang like Rush Hour 3. Bitch, I'm Brooklyn shit. Hometown full of hackers, I got this fit for free. On Canal Street scamming, why you think that Prada bag so cheap? High school I was valedictorian, whole class had passed cause of me. Give me time, might switch the language, like I leave them shook when I speak. 应该你逼的你嘴，为什么你们很喜欢出我鸡鸡？肯定你头脑有病，你们看我的氛围，你肯定生气。那么多小孩你吃下去，我感觉这个事情都不对。Like， 哎呀，你们都神经病。Look。I'm switching the tone, cause most these westerners like a cajon. It's like, watch out, I came overseas, your body, everybody.
Come on, make some noise, man. Give me your energy, give me your energy.
It's my turn now, bitch. My mama. It's my turn now, bitch. What do you say? Hey, bro. If you not here, you fucked up. Let me say it one more time. If you not here, you fucked up. That nigga amp, man. Bro, my shit, bro. Bro. Brando, you have fun? Bro, whoever the fuck.
为什么你们很喜欢出我鸡鸡？肯定你头脑有病，你们看我的氛围，你肯定生气。那么多小孩你吃下去，我感觉这个事情都不对。Like， 哎呀，你们都神经病。Look。 I'm switching the tone, cause most these westerners like a cajon. It's like, watch how I came overseas. Your body, everybody when I start flowing. Like, most of these labels gon' fiend out in NYC, nobody opposing. When they see me on the mic, it's made in China, I level overnight. Stand on no pose, Brooklyn chink, all American flows. Like a marionette, I'm controlling the court like I'm Yao Ming's coach. Funny, when I started rapping, they call me Wu-Tang, but now I'm a Shaolin Pro. My title gon' be unforgettable, like I'm not King Cole. Man, I'm really a fiend. I peep that they Mudoli, but I'm tryna go free the whole team. Like, who really a homie? Who rockin' with you when shit get extreme? Cause I don't know about you, but me and my gang like Rush Hour 3. Bitch, I'm Brooklyn's king. Hometown full of hackers, I got this fit for free. Uncle L Street scamming, why you think that Prada bag so cheap? High school, I was valedictorian, whole class had passed cause of me. Give me time, I switch the language like那个美国人讲，爱的中国人厉害，他听到你都不知道，小心需要，像一个压紧你小，我是猪八戒，你是元宵，我看你叫。你害怕，你赶紧去跑，跑不好不好，像一个香烟放知道它铅笔是像一个刀。Switch out the tone, in other words, you know I gotta catch bodies of multiple languages, reppin' my land. And watching and staring and not how I do this better than the answers. Isn't I the man? Yeah, industry labels got made in China, plastered all on their brand name. It's up to your mans, regardless of whatever happens. Get bodied in English or Mandarin, bitch, I'm the man.